WFTV, this is Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Tonight, Brevard County's property appraiser is defending himself to Channel 9 as investigators try to figure out if he illegally lowered property values for friends and campaign contributors.
In the political arena, I guess you learn to accept these types of things happening.
Eyewitness News cameras were there as FDLE agents served search warrants at the property appraiser's office in Titusville today. Good evening, I'm Marty Salt.
I'm Bob Opsahl. They're looking into whether he illegally gave people tax breaks by lowering the assessed values of their homes. The investigation's been underway for 4 months, but it came to light today. Channel 9's Kevin Oliver's live in Titusville with what the property appraiser told him about the allegations. Kevin?
Well, Bob, Jim Ford has been in county government for nearly 40 years now. He says he had no idea that agents were going to come knocking this morning, but he says he welcomes any investigation. Before the county property appraiser showed up for work this morning, state agents were at his office, waiting with a search warrant. Investigators were looking for Jim Ford, waiting to take his records in their investigation into at least 3 people in his office.
We're conducting a criminal investigation regarding devaluating her properties.
Although state investigators wouldn't say much about what they were specifically looking for, Channel 9 has learned investigators have talked with former employees about high-level staff members doing favors for friends by lowering the values of their property to save them hundreds or thousands of dollars in taxes. Investigators removed 5 boxes of records and correspondence from the appraiser's storage unit and spent about an hour there with an employee. Ford denied any wrongdoing.
I would speculate that this is an untrue allegation from a disgruntled former employee and politically motivated.
The elected official says he has never lowered property values for campaign contributors or friends.
None for friends.
No.
Even some current employees, though, said the office needed to be investigated.
I've been waiting on something good to come out, and something's got to come out of this.
Cheryl Mills spoke out despite her concerns it could ultimately cost her her job.
There's some dealings going on in here that shouldn't be going on, definitely.
But while search warrants were served, there were no arrests and no criminal charges. At least not yet. Ford staff members have made other allegations about his hiring practices and promotions, and all of this comes on the heels of Ford's announcement last week that the total property value for all of Brevard County has dropped over the last year by $1 billion, that's with a B, billion dollars. Reporting live in Titusville, Kevin Oliver, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Now, Ford